Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Thursday the 16th of June with me, Usdjpy, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen and what a breakdown this has been. I've been thinking that in the past week we're going to test 105.52. We've absolutely smashed it out of the water, and that came on the back of the dovish Fed and the Bank of Japan holding fire, standing pat. Big breakdown, massive sell-off, 2% down. Incredible. But what does it do? Well, 105.50 was the support. I mean, let's go back. Got to go back 5 years, or to the 5-year chart, I should say, and then zoom back in. You can see these sort of lows around 101 is basically the next key support, because you're sort of looking at this trading range from sort of 2014, mid 2014, to get the next real support. Again, it doesn't really come in until sort of 101.50, 101 as the support, because you're sort of back into this trading band between sort of 104 and 101. And there are some minor supports you could argue within that, but to be honest, it's rather tenuous. You could argue 13.50, which is 103.50, which is basically where we've just bottomed, interestingly enough. 103.58 was the reaction low, but to be honest, that's a rather tenuous support, isn't it? I don't think it's necessarily got any real weighting behind it, although the last couple of hours we've just bounced off that level. In terms of resistance, you'd argue 105.20, which was an old support from 2014. That becomes resistance. Main resistance is 105.50, which was that old key low that we had from May. So it really doesn't look great. You can imagine that the Bank of Japan is absolutely having kittens at the moment, and yeah, they don't really know what to do, because they haven't moved on rates. They're surely going to jawbone, but they didn't want to move on rates, presumably because of the fact that they want the highest efficacy that they can get from an interest rate cut or further quantitative easing, and they wouldn't get that in front of Brexit, because because the yen would still be seen as a big safe haven trade. So they're obviously hoping for no Brexit, and then next month when they get all the data through, they're going to sort of move on rates or move on monetary policy to ease, to try and sort of generate the upside momentum from that move. But at the moment, because the yen is such a big safe haven draw, it's just under huge pressure and they're really struggling. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.